Hey guys, welcome. Today I wasn't really gonna film, but one of you guys said you wanted me to film anyways. I just told myself to shut up and just do it, so let's get today started. Let's go. Tell me why that Land Cruiser up there is right-hand drive. That's freaking sick, because usually when you see right-hand drive cars, they're like more like Supras, Skylines, you know, 240s, Civics, stuff like that, Integras. But dude, I have not seen a right-hand drive Land Cruiser, and it's freaking sick because his license plate says JDM HDJ. I don't know, it's just pretty cool. Like, one day I hope to drive a right-hand drive car just to see how it is, but until that day comes, it's pretty sick, dog. Alright guys, we are back. It is going to be an EK day. As you can see, we are back in the garage. The SI looking mighty fine. But yeah, we're gonna be working on EK, get this thing running, cause yeah boy, look at this. Bruh, it's been here for like the past, I don't know how long, but I think it's time we get this thing done, bro. I have so many parts everywhere. Quick release, camber kit, harnesses. Oh my god. Let's go. I'm gonna go to the gym first though. I'll catch you guys back when I'm done. Hey guys, I'm back from the gym. It's been about a week. Let's see an air out. Gonna go get this package from USPS. You have to be like 21 and up to get this package because it is coming from Russia. And if you guys don't know, I did tell you guys in the beginning, but we are gonna be taking the Ford Explorer. But yeah, I told you guys that I am getting wheels, and surprisingly enough, these wheels are gonna be for sale already. Just because I already picked up another set of wheels that are my dream wheels, and so I'd rather have my dream wheels than these wheels, cause these wheels, it's gonna take a lot more money to build. If you don't know what that means, it means the 3-piece wheels. If anybody's interested, they are gonna be for sale. I'll post it up on Craigslist. I'll have it on the bio, and then I'll also have it on my Instagram. So if you guys wanna pick it up, let me know. We can meet up. Let's go get the wheels, and then let's go back and finally work on the EK, because I need this thing running, man. Well guys, it looks like we only got 2 out of the 4 packages that I'm supposed to get, or 1 out of 2, because there's 2 in each package. So, guess we gotta wait for the other 2 wheels to show up at my doorstep, but as of right now, I will show you guys when I go back, show you guys what wheels I got, and then they'll be posted up for sale. Other 2 will be coming in next week, or later this week, but they are gonna be for sale. Let's go back to my house, get everything all ready. I'll probably mock these up too, just so I can see what they look like, but let's go back to my house. Y'all ready for this, the Hot Boy wheels? Woo. As you can see, I did pick up a set of work VSSS's. These resemble my dream wheels so much, and I think they look really dope, especially when you build them correctly, or when you build them to spec. As of right now, obviously they're not built to spec. There's paint chipping in the back of the faces. In terms of the lip, it has a pretty decent lip. I think it's like 2 inches. Yeah, around 2-inch lip. I'm gonna measure that too, as well as the back spacing on the inside is like really small. Which is one of the reasons why I got it. Right now, these are 18 by 8 plus 38 offset. So I think the inside barrel is like 6 inches. Fronts are like 2-inch lip, and you could literally build these to like a massive spec, because the way that they sit on the inside of the wheel, sit right there, right? You can leave the barrel as is, and then you can manipulate how fat the lip is gonna be sitting out of your fender. So that's why I really wanted 3-piece wheels. Seeing these in person, I kind of want to keep them, but then again, I don't want to like spend money to rebuild them. I don't know, what do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I already have my other set of wheels coming in, and I gotta sell those Volks, which I don't want anymore. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. I think these look pretty sick. We can mock it up to see how it looks, but obviously it's not gonna look like this because it's not rebuilt, but these look freaking sick, dude. I don't know, man. I'm stuck. I don't know if you guys can see this. Ooh, that might be trouble for somebody wanting to rebuild these, but if they bring it to someone else, it'll be fine. But I'm gonna put it on the floor. You see right there, it's like multi-point. They are from work as well. These are work hardware. So these look sick, bro. Oh man, I hate wheels, bro. I hate wheels because I always want all of them, but I can't have all of them. As much as I really like 3-piece wheels, I could care less. I don't really care. Those aren't my real dream wheels. Dream wheels are coming in. Look like that, but 1 piece. Yeah, let me just mock it up though. Just to see how it looks. Because right now these are cool, but I want to see how the other ones look. Oh man, these look pretty wet. I'm not gonna lie. Oh man. Alright guys, so I actually mocked up the wheel to see how it would look. This is my thing right there. It's the wheel. I'm gonna air it out as much as I can and see how well it actually fits. Yep, and that right there is as much as I want to go. Whew. Fudge. There's a 15 mil spacer in there, by the way, but damn it. These look dope, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm not gonna rock them. Surprisingly, it's weird is that my lug nuts can't even fit in there. Like, look, the holes are so small. I don't know why, man. Like, it won't fit. So, whoever buys these, make sure you get new lug nuts, because these are not gonna fit, brother. But yeah, looks cool though. 3-piece wheels. I'm gonna take a picture of this, then I'm out. I'm done with these. All right, time to go back to business. Now, it is an EK work day. So we got, if you don't know, we got the transmission on. I got the stage 3 6-puck clutch in there. Okay, I got a 6-puck clutch for a D16 wide. Shut up. So first things first, I'm gonna get rid of the cruise control. I'm not gonna need it. I have an aftermarket steering wheel. I'm not gonna be using cruise control ever, so I don't need it right now. We got most of it taken off already, so this is the module that you need to take off. This is the cruise control thing on my bobber. So we're gonna take this off, and then behind the intake manifold, there's like a rubber piece right here that you need to take off, and I'm actually gonna cut it and then cap it off. And then there's also this black box right here that we're gonna be taking out as well. So let's get that started. First, I'm gonna clean this up so I can have a better workspace. But yeah, let's go, baby. All right, got it out. So put this aside. So with this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a little hole, plug up the port that was in the intake manifold, so that it doesn't have like a leak, like a vacuum leak or anything like that. So we'll cut this part, plug it up with some duct tape for now, and then after that, what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to go through the firewall, because as you can see right here, it's connected, or this part right here is connected, this hard line, all the way into this firewall, and we're gonna go inside the car and get it out from under there and then take this whole thing out. Guys, so we got this little piece right here that we're gonna use to block off the part on the intake manifold. I got this little like suction thing that I had in my in my 3P air system for my SI, but I will duct tape it still just so that there's no leaks anywhere. But yeah, this is just gonna plug in and block any of like a vacuum leak coming from the car. So basically it won't idle like stupid. So yeah, let's put this on. That's right there, and that's gonna be the clip. There's no more, boys. So we're gonna put this to the side. No more cruise control. Not gonna work anymore. So that's done. Now we can put the camber arms that I did get. These are the Blocks race camber arms. So they do have the adjustment up top, so it's going to be a lot easier. We already bolted it up to the frame right here. You see, just got to put the ball joint on. Alright, over here we got the new camber kit, the front camber kit bolted on. Right now we're going to put in the new axle on the driver's side. We're just going to put it through there. We're going to be putting some high temp grease on it, on the inside part. Right here, it's going to be STP premium high temp grease. So let's do that right now. Alright guys, so I pretty much got everything assembled here. I got the front camber arm, as you can see right there. This is the blocks one, like I told you before. It's connected to the arm right here. Then we got the tie rod in place. We got the new axle in place. We torqued it down to 134 foot-pounds for the axle nut. We got the drilled and slotted rotor right there. We got the brakes on, and yeah, everything's pretty much tight. Now all I gotta do is the other side. I'm not gonna show you guys too much of that just because it's gonna be the same process. And I know I didn't record too much of this. It was only because I just really wanted to get it done. Then after that, hopefully we can get this thing close to be on the floor, because I still have to connect the shift linkage that we took apart to be able to get some parts of the transmission off. So I started on the other side, and I'll catch you guys in a bit after I'm done. Alright guys, it is cold as balls right now. As you can see, it's nighttime. But yeah, I got basically the front whole suspension, everything already set up. Got all the brakes on, got the axle nut torqued down, and yeah, everything's all set up. The only thing left to do, honestly, is put back the exhaust plus the stock header. Come on, bruh. Thank you. But yeah, put back the stock header, flush all the fluids, clutch fluid, bleed all the brakes, break in the brakes, or bed the brakes, as well as break in the clutch, and then should be good to go. So as of right now, I just want to talk to you guys real quick. I don't know how bright it is. It's probably super bright. Let's see. Let's turn it like this. As you guys know, I've been building this car just for track use, and recently I've been thinking, and like, I want to do track, and I probably will do track with this car. But as of right now, I'm just building it because I want it to handle great and be reliable, so as well as be fast. So that's the main goal for this car right now. I know I'm like switching it up in terms of like going for the full track, but then like I've literally haven't even hit the track yet, and I'm saying that this is a track build, but realistically right now I'm just making it handle well as be reliable, and then try to make it fast. So the SI is gonna have new wheels in about 2 days. This car will be ready to be driven around. I might start dailying this car as well, just so I could have like 2 cars that I could daily that are really cool, and I don't want to spend like $4 on gas. So yeah, so far I've been like enjoying building this car again. I miss building this car because it's really simple compared to like the K20 over there. So yeah, right now it has a D16Y8, and might pull the trigger on something. You guys won't know what it is until I actually pull the trigger and show you. But yeah, so far there's still more stuff I need to do to this car. I have the new steering wheel, I have harnesses to put on, I have the rear camber kit to still put on. This car will get done. I'm coming back this Friday just to do the bleeding of all the fluids, as well as doing the brakes and getting it basically running on Friday. And then after that, I'll show you guys the car. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I know it's just me working on the car, but I wanted to show you guys that I still work on my car, you know? I'm not just having people work on it, you know? Let me know in the comments below if you're really liking how the EK is coming out. If you don't, let me know too, because that's your opinion, and yeah, catch you guys later. Make sure you guys build humbly, and until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!